Yo, what the heck? It's got 948 of these things? Jup. What is that?
Yo, what's up, man?
I just received this token called Jup.
Yo, you just got airdropped a bag of Jup?
Can you help me figure out what the heck this airdrop is that I got? Like, I don't understand what it is. Should I just sell this and like get rid of all this Jup, or should I actually, because it's worth something. Like, should I just dump the bag?
Yo, please do not dump your bags on this one. This one's worth it. Okay, let me help you out. I'll explain everything for you so you understand what you're holding, and just don't sell it. Please don't sell it. You will regret that in the long run. Let me help you out here. Welcome to Maniac Services, where we make Solana easy. Today we're diving into Jupiter Exchange, a leading ecosystem within Solana. From swapping coins to bridging Solana and Ethereum, Jupiter Exchange offers a range of features. Stick around until the end for insights on their latest tokens, Jup, and profitable farming strategies for the upcoming Jup claim. So you might be asking, what is Jupiter Exchange? It's a DEX aggregator on Solana blockchain, simplifying token swaps with its user-friendly interface. When you swap coins, the DEX aggregator finds the best route across Solana's DEXs, ensuring minimal fees and maximum returns. Compared to other exchanges like birdeye.so or Radium, Jupiter stands out for its intuitive UI and optimal swap rate. Those other exchanges I mentioned can be intimidating on how to swap a coin or how to make sure you're swapping the right pairs of a coin. Jup takes that knowledge and simplifies it for the average trader, makes it really easy. What can you do on this exchange? At Jupiter Exchange, there are a total of 5 features you can use to farm for the next Jup drop coming in 2025. Swap. Easily exchange tokens within Solana with fast transactions and multiple route options. Limit orders. Set buy or sell orders with user-friendly controls. Say if Solana was at $200 and you want to buy Solana at $180, you can easily set a buy order to go through without you needing to stare at a chart. This goes for almost any Solana L2 or meme coin that you can use it for. The next one, dollar cost averaging or DCA. Automatically invest a fixed sum of money at regular intervals, ideally for large investments or uncertain market conditions. The 2 reasons you'd probably use this feature is you're investing a very large sum of money and don't want to impact the price of a coin too much, or you don't know the most ideal price to buy a coin at, so you'd rather let the exchange do that for you. Bridge feature. Seamlessly convert Ethereum or Bitcoin to or from Solana using their bridge tool. When using this tool, you'll want to use the wormhole tab and not the other 2 options available to you. Don't mess with those, just do wormhole. Perpetual trading or perps. Trade Solana, Ethereum, or Bitcoin with leverage up to 100x. I personally love using the perpetual futures trading tool here on Jupiter. This is a more advanced trading tool though, so if you aren't familiar with this concept, I'd recommend first learning what future trading is before you even touch it. Stay tuned for our upcoming educational series on perpetual trading and live streams. This trading strategy has been a game changer for myself, and I want to share my learnings with you and bring you along the journey so you could also learn also. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on X for more Solana insights. It really helps us. We need you. Your engagement supports our mission to simplify Solana for everyone. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below. Now let's dive into Solana's #1 L2, Jup. The most anticipated token of 2024 has sparked excitement within the Solana community. Eligible users who engaged with Jupiter Exchange between 2022 and 2023 received an allocation of Jup. Now valued over $1, Jup offers governance opportunities and rewards for active participants. By staking Jup at vote.jup.ag, you gain voting power and access to governance protocols. For instance, recent votes on the LFG launchpad determined the first token to launch, with active stakers receiving rewards from the pool that they have to reward active stakers. If you're confused or have questions, leave a comment down below. I don't want anyone getting left behind of not understanding something. Our goal at Maniac Services is to make Solana easy for you, so if it's not easy, let's help with that. Like, subscribe, and follow us for more insights, including updates on the Jupiter Airdrop coming in 2025. Let's make Solana easy for you. Watch one of these videos that pop up for more exciting opportunities, and make sure you have a great rest of your day.